Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curler and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this hairstyle and how I laid my edges, how I twisted the little side part of my hair and what I used, which was only edge control. So yes, this video is also sponsored by EBIN. This is their 24-hour edge control that I will be using in this video. So again, this is a sponsored video. So if you're interested and you would like to keep watching, let's get started. So I am starting on freshly washed, blown out hair. I did a protein treatment, and then I just blew my hair out. And then I clipped my ends. I do mean to do a ends clipping video, but I just be clipping whatever I see like it needs to be clipped. So I don't know if you really want that type of tutorial. So this is the product. This is their 24-hour Edge Tamer by EBIN, New York. This product is a strong, long-lasting product that gives your edges hold without flakes or white residue. Now, this is what it looks like on the inside. The product smells really good. Now, I know you're like, white residue, are you sure? Because a lot of products do, say that, but they don't. So, this was my first time using it, and I had good results. Now, my homegirls that I am close to swear by it. This is the comb that came with it. This is their EBIN comb, their edge control little comb, and then it has, you can see the little parts on there. I was trying to get a close-up as possible so you can see how it looks, and that's their edge brush at the end. So they have the edge comb and the edge brush, so I will be using that in the video. So again, back to my girls. So my homegirls swear by this product. Like, this was my first time using it and trying it out, and she was like, for best results, start on clean hair. She does this one, and she uses this edge control only when she's doing a protective style, because she said she can go weeks without having to wash her hair. So, but her tip was to start on clean hair, which honestly is really what you should do anyway, because I only ever notice residue with certain kind of products when I wear makeup. I hardly ever see residue when I'm not wearing makeup. So I will say, using this product with even with my makeup and doing my edges, I didn't see any like icky buildup on it. So I thought that was like, oh my god, okay, I see what we doing here. I see what we doing. So that's about that. Again, so this is the product. I'll leave everything in the description box below. I do have an affiliate link as well, so I will leave all of that in the description box below. We all know what affiliate links, you get a percentage if you buy. So that's the tea. Now let's get into some conversation. So girl, okay, so recap on life. So, oh yeah, I'm just doing some twists on the side. I'm doing a side swept hairstyle. I'm only using water in this video. Water, and I'm going to use the edge control to kind of keep my hair wrapped around the flexi rod. I'm not going anywhere this weekend, so that is why I am not caking on product. So for those of you that want something that's a more firmer hold, I do recommend using a foam wrap, because foam wrap or gel, because in this heat, girl, if you want your hair to survive, a foam wrap or a gel. I personally like foam wraps. They're really good at styling and molding the hair and keeping, the styles to be a little bit more longevity. But again, in this heat, girl, good luck. But since I'm not going anywhere, I'm just going to use water and the edge control. And I also wanted to see what it would do, and I was really happy with how my hair came out. It was all fluffy. That's what I wanted. I wanted like some fluffy waves. I know next time, to get the whole fluffy wave look, I need to use less rods. So I'm going to try that next time. So now I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges. So back to life recap. So, the funny thing about life, I find that you gotta really try to live your life doing right by people. Because sometimes that karma, come back, and you're gonna want somebody to, be there for you at the end of your road. Like people that loved you, had your back, to be there. And the reason why I'm saying this is because this past weekend, me and my little brothers, our mom was a single parent. I'm always about single moms, because I know how hard it was for my mom, and she did it with a smile. She never kept us away from our fathers. They chose the route they chose. So my brother's dad just recently found out that he's in hospice, and he's like, kind of on his last, man. And it's really sad to know that they didn't really get that relationship with them, and he's kind of hanging on so he could talk to them. And it's like, wow, after all the years of going without him, that's the way you're gonna send them off. You know, it's like, it's just, life is crazy, you know. And I'm not gonna get too personally on his health and why, because you know it's not my business to really speak on too much. But I just feel like it's crazy how life can really take you in those directions, that when you're on your last and you want to really just right your wrongs or talk to people, or you know, apologize and speak your truth before you know, you're at the end of the rope. And I feel like sometimes, you know, a lot of us, we need to tell people how much they matter now. You need to let people know you care about it. Life is short, it really is. So do right by people, do right by yourself, enjoy life. But I don't feel like you have to go about hurting people and then at the end of the rope you're like, okay, wow, I see it. You know, I should have did this, I should have did that. We're all going to make mistakes, but don't wait till it's too late to own up to those mistakes or to try to fix them or mend things. You know, I tell people all the time, I'm a firecracker, okay? Like, I'm a straight shooter. I tell you how I feel. I tell you if I don't like something. I tell you if I have an issue with you. Tell you I love you. I have no problem. Like, I'm very bubbly. A lot of people have met me, they know that's my personality 24/7. Nothing changes. Like, you can walk up on me with a bonnet on and you're not going to get a, oh my God, I'm an introvert kind of person. No, I'm an extrovert. I'm out there. I'm like, hey girl, I even give you a hug. Now right now with COVID, nah. But the old me would have just gave you a hug. Like, everybody would get shocked, but that's just my personality. So I just never could just live my life like that. Like, I always got to live my life in the moment. And maybe that's why I've always had so much issues too, because I'm such a free spirit and I'm always trying to live in the moment instead of planning for the future. So now I'm trying to plan for the future and be better at planning and saving money, because I'm the worst person to tell. Girl, I would tell myself, oh, you know, oh, I made some money. Huh, I deserve a treat. No, Carla, put some money away. But no, oh, girl, I got to go take myself out to eat. I got to go buy a bottle. I got to go turn up. I'll turn up with my little hooker, because now I've turned my beauty room into like a little lounge, since you can't go nowhere. But I've turned it into like a little lounge. I got my hooker set up. I got my little run. You can't tell me nothing. But I'm the first person to go buy some clothes with nowhere to go. Like, you know, y'all see my clothes. That's what I buy it for. I buy it for y'all. Y'all see my little shirts and my little pictures, because nobody else is going to see it. So y'all might as well get these, get these looks in, girl. But yeah, so that's really it. That was just like my thought process. You know, each video I come with my thoughts on things, and you know, that's what I'm starting to do more. I just like to talk about what's been going on, or my feelings on certain issues, or you know, because there's a lot going on in the world. And I know you get tired of just seeing a video of me talking about hair. You want to know what's going on, where I'm at. So this was the finished look. This was the finished look. No, this was after sitting on the dryer for an hour, because I only used water in my head, so it was like a quick little sit down under the dryer. Now you see how that one curl right there is doing like a wave. I think because I had so much hair on that one, that's what I was going for. So next time I'm going to use less rollers to see if I can get that wave factor, because I wanted more of a wave than a curl. I used to be able to create waves with my perm rods. Like how, you know how you would do those hair clamp waves? I used to be able to do that. But you know, it's been so long, because certain styles, like I always say, certain styles really depend on your hair length, you know, and how even your hair is. I'm growing out my layers, so certain parts of my hair will do the wave I want, and then certain parts will do a curl. So, and that's just how it looks. It's so pretty and fluffy, and it even has shine. Like, the edge control added some shine to it, because I was putting that edge control all on there to keep my hair from unraveling. Like, I was securing it around that rod. So, but yeah, I just find it that, you know, like certain length and certain with certain lengths you'll achieve certain looks easier. I was running my mouth on the phone, if you're wondering. Like, who is she talking to herself? I do talk to myself sometimes. I am technically talking to myself now until you hear me. But yeah. But anyway, so this is actually, to get to the brand. This is a collaboration that I'll be doing once a month for the next few months. So just letting you know, you will see this again. So don't be upset, girl. Be happy. You know, y'all been rooting for me. So we finally done moved on up, y'all. Finally done moved on up. Somebody done gave us an ambassadorship program. And, you know, it's free reign. So, yeah. Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick my hair out. And I'm trying to pick out the curls a little bit. I'm not going to lie to you because I really wanted a wave kind of look. And I think in order for me to get that wave, I should have used less rods. And for those of you that have thicker hair than mine, because keep in mind, no matter how full my hair looks, that's because I have a lot of strands. My hair is getting longer. So when my hair grows out. So that is why it looks so full. And then, of course, dark hair always makes your hair look fuller than it is, which is why I'm planning on more than likely going brown, since I think brown would be easier if I decided to get another color. You know how I am. I'm funny. And lift. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick my hair out. I'm trying to pick out some of those curls because I wanted a different look. Nothing to flex about it. But I am still liking how everything is looking. Go ahead and pick the back of my hair so I don't have those awkward parts going on. It's not going to be that much hold because, again, I only used water and edge control. But it certainly did good for what I did use. It looks great, but I ain't going nowhere. So, again, because sometimes I have to re-say it, for those of you that have thicker hair or you know you need hold and you're going out, use gel or use a foam wrap. I recommend a foam wrap because foam wrap is for styling and it works better. So this is the finished look that you've already saw, girl. Let me know your thoughts below. I will leave everything in the description box. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the support. Yeah, you see how I gave y'all that wink. Flirt with the camera, girl. Show off. Yes, yes, yes. Get cute. And boom, boom, boom. This is the product. This is what it looks like again. And thank you for watching. Bye.